Will AI become the greatest ally or our ultimate downfall? Stick around to find out. In this episode, we'll dive into the complex and nuanced landscape of AI, exploring the possibilities, challenges, and delicate balance between the creation of silicon and the wonders of human minds. Artificial intelligence has made remarkable strides, from surpassing human in specific tasks to mastering complex games. But does this mean the end of human intelligence as we know it? Let's separate fact from fiction. AI excel in tasks involving data analysis, pattern recognition, and computational speed. Whether it is crunching numbers, processing language, or even driving a car, machine can outperform human in specific domains. However, the essence of human intelligence extends beyond mere computations. Creativity, emotional intelligence, intuition, and the ability to navigate complex social interactions are the hallmark of human cognition, areas where AI, as of now, falls short. The fear of AI takeover often stems from a misunderstanding of what AI is. It is not a conscious entity with a thirst for power. It is a tool, a powerful one, but still a tool that we control. Anyone with keen interest can learn to build, manage, and contribute to the ecosystem. As we embrace AI, ethical consideration comes to the forefront. Questions about biases in algorithm, job displacements, and the ethical use of powerful technology demand careful thought and responsible development. The landscape of work is evolving. While AI may automate certain tasks, it has also opened new avenues for creative, complex, and unique human roles. Adaptability and reskilling becomes key as we navigate this evolving job market. It is imperative to ensure that as AI advances, humans retain control. Establishing robust governance, ethical framework, and transparent decision-making processes are crucial in preventing unintended consequences and maintaining human oversight. In the end, it is not a question of AI versus human intelligence, but rather a collaborative future where the strength of both can be harnessed. The journey ahead is marked by innovation, responsibility, and the potential for unprecedented advancements that benefit society as a whole. The AI takeover isn't inevitable. It is up to us to shape the future of this technology, engage in the conversation, learn about AI potential and its risk, and demand ethical development. Together, we can create a future where AI elevates humanity and not replace it. And that's how we wrap it up on this one. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social media handles. Until next time, see you in the next one.